Let me ask you something. During a production incident, how many tools do you open? Metrics, dashboard, logs, bases, alerts, Slack, incident doc, ticket system, and somehow the incident still take longer to fix. Today's failure is not about missing data, it's about too much data. This is the story of how tool overload quietly destroys incident response. Quick pause. If these real production stories help you think like an on call engineer, like the video and subscribe. I'm running a 30-day real DevOps incident series. People who follow along and comment their thinking process will receive a free DevOps simulation ebook. All right, let's talk about modern DevOps chaos. Few years ago, incidents were simple. One dashboard, one log file, one on call engineer. Today, we have metrics platform, log aggregators, pacing tools, APMs, alerting system, incident bots, chat tools. Each tool is useful, but together they overwhelm the human brain. Teams buy tools because tools feel like controls. If we can see everything, nothing will surprise us. But during an incident, visibility without focus becomes noise. Engineers jump between dashboards. Each tool tells a different story. None of them agree. Decision making slows down. Not because engineers are bad, but because the signal is buried. Every time you switch tools, your brain resets. You forget what you were looking for. You rebuild context. You second guess conclusions. During incidents, this cognitive tax is devastating. The system is failing fast. Humans are reasoning slowly. Here's where it gets worse. One tool says latency is fine. Another says errors are rising. Another shows everything looks normal. Engineers start debating tools instead of fixing systems. The incident becomes an argument about dashboards, not reality. From the business side, tool overload looks like hesitation. Leadership hears we are investigating over and over. The delay isn't technical, it's cognitive. The cost of tool overload is slower recovery, not missing data. Mature teams don't remove tools, they remove decision ambiguity. They define which dashboard matters first, which signal triggers action, which tool is ignored during incidents. Tools exist to support humans, not compete for attention. Observability is useless if it doesn't help you decide. This is day 22 challenge. You're on call, alerts are firing, 5 dashboards disagree, Slack is noisy. What is the first thing you do? Do you pick one signal and ignore the rest? Slow down information flow? Assign someone to summarize? Shut tools off temporarily? There is no single correct answer here. I care about how you reduce cognitive chaos. If this episode felt painfully familiar, like the video so YouTube shows it to more engineers. Comment your thinking process and subscribe because next we talk about why incidents repeat even after fixes and how teams trap themselves in cycles.